Astrophysicist Jamal Carter developed a method to translate cosmic radio waves into sound. He discovered that the universe produced a symphony, harmonies from the Big Bang, star vibrations, and planetary movements. One day, while analyzing the sounds, he heard an organized repeating tune that sounded like an ancient chant. It originated from a galaxy millions of light-years away, suggesting the presence of an intelligent species. As he worked to trace it, a sudden signal disrupted communications globally, as if someone, or something, realized Earth